Ecuador, a country whose name is derived from the equator line running through it, holds the unique distinction of being named after a geographical feature. Officially known as the Republic of Ecuador, the country is rich in natural and cultural marvels. A famous monument known as the Mitad del Mundo, or Middle of the World, marks the equatorial line near Quito. Standing approximately 240 meters away, this monument provides visitors the opportunity to soak in the breathtaking scenery from above. Interestingly, while the equator line is actually 5 kilometers wide, only one of the museums in this region is situated precisely in the center. One of Ecuador's most biodiverse regions is the Yasuni National Park. Known for its incredible variety of life, the park is home to unique species not found anywhere else in the world. Ecuador boasts an unrivaled number of tree, amphibian, and bat species within just a 100-kilometer radius, surpassing other global locations. The Galapagos Islands, brought to fame by Charles Darwin's theory of evolution, focus particularly on the finches. Darwin observed how the same bird species evolved differently across the 21 islands, placing Ecuador on the scientific community's map. Ecuador also has a deep-rooted history with chocolate, having cultivated cacao for centuries. This element has long been part of the nation's cultural and national identity, often praised for its anti-inflammatory properties and other health benefits. Recent studies suggest Ecuador might be the original source of cacao, cementing its reputation as the world's top-quality cacao producer. Ecuador is renowned as the orchid capital of the world, with over 4,000 orchid species. Considering there are more than 25,000 plant species globally, orchids represent the most varied group. The architecture of Ecuador, especially in large cities like Quito, exhibits a range of historical influences. Quito's Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, was constructed in the 16th century atop Inca ruins. The diet and cuisine of Ecuador heavily feature bananas, with approximately 300 types of bananas grown to meet local demand. Nature lovers would be fascinated to learn that Ecuador has the highest number of bird species per square kilometer, totaling 1,632 confirmed species and an additional 48 hypothetical ones. It also holds the world record for the most species of hummingbirds, with 132 different kinds found only in the Americas. Ecuador consists of 4 distinct regions: mountains, coast, Amazon, and the famous Galapagos Islands. Each region harbors its unique culture, impacting everything from clothing to cuisine. In coastal areas, for instance, the food typically centers around coconut and fish, whereas in mountainous settlements, guinea pig and corn are more prevalent ingredients. The ingredients readily available significantly influence these cultural variances. One of the more surprising facts about Ecuador is that it houses the point closest to outer space. Mount Chimborazo, while not the highest mountain from sea level, protrudes the furthest from the Earth's center due to the planet's equatorial bulge. This bulge also explains why people tan faster near the equator.